In this video, I will be showing you how to make a brochure in Canva. Let's get started. I'll start on the main templates page, where I can browse through a wide variety of categories. I'm looking for something specific, so I'll click on the brochure option to see all the available layouts. There are millions of templates to choose from, so I'll scroll through the gallery to find a design that fits a modern, professional aesthetic. This brown trifold layout for a coffee shop looks like a great starting point, so I'll select it and click on Customize this template. Once the editor opens, I'll zoom in so I can see the details clearly. I'm going to update the text first, changing About Our Coffee Shop to About Our Resto Shop. I'll also update the main heading to match my restaurant's branding. Now, I want to replace these default images with something unique. I'll open the Magic Media tool on the left sidebar and type in a descriptive prompt for whipped goat cheese with pistachios and a balsamic glaze. Canva will generate a few options for me, and I can simply click the one I like best to add it to my design, dragging it right into the existing frame. I'll also update the pricing bubbles and then head back to the AI generator for my next dish. This time, I'm asking for a porcini mushroom risotto with truffle oil. I'll drag that image into the next frame and adjust the layout slightly to make sure everything looks balanced. For the final spot on this page, I'll generate an image of a flaky fruit pastry. Using AI images ensures that my brochure looks consistent and high-end without needing a professional photo shoot. I'll move some of the text blocks around to make sure the contact information and address are easy to find. Next, I'll scroll down to the second page to work on the signature menu items. I'll start by updating the item names and then use Magic Media to create visuals for an artisanal burrata salad and a honey-glazed duck breast. For each one, I'll drag the generated image into the circular frames. I'll do the same for the dessert section, generating a rich creme brulee with caramelized sugar. Finally, I'll refresh the beverage section. I'm generating custom images for a muddled cucumber mocktail, a smoked bourbon cocktail, and an elderflower gin spritz. I'll place the gin spritz as the featured drink on this page. After dragging it into the frame, I'll open the crop settings to adjust the positioning, and then flip the image horizontally so it fits the flow of the design perfectly. With just a few clicks and some AI-generated visuals, my custom restaurant brochure is complete. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you create a stunning design for your business.